Ninja Blast not responding after wash? Reset guide. If your Ninja Blast stopped working right after cleaning it, don't panic. Here's how to safely reset it and get it running again. 1. Make sure the base is dry. If any water got into the USB-C port or around the buttons, it may prevent startup. Wipe everything down with a dry cloth and let it sit for at least 30 minutes before trying again. 2. Check the cup alignment. If the cup isn't fully locked in, the blender won't respond. Line up the arrows and twist until it clicks. A flashing white light means it's still misaligned. 3. Try a manual reset. Remove the blending cup. Then press and hold the power button for 10 seconds. Release, reattach the cup, and try powering on again. 4. Inspect the charging port. Water or soap residue may block the power connection. Use a soft brush to gently clean the USB-C port. We've linked a cleaning brush set that's perfect for the job. If it's still unresponsive after all this, it could be internal moisture or a hardware fault. Reach out to Ninja Support using the link in the description. And for better post-wash care, the brush set we've linked helps keep sensitive parts clean without damage. If this helped, subscribe to No Filler Fixes for more quick appliance breakdowns. Thanks for watching, and blend easy.